Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Pro/Server SKU, Hyper-V enabled, and Docker desktop installed. Once Docker is installed, choose the Windows Containers mode or WSL2 backend. Then pull a matching Windows base image. Use Server Core or Nano as required for compatibility. Make sure Container Host OS build matches Image Major build. This avoids kernel incompatibilities. After pulling the image, create a Docker file with a base from line and any initial configuration commands. You now build and configure the Windows container. Start by writing a Docker file that uses your pulled base image. Include copy for assets, RUN for installs, and an entry point or CMD for startup. Once done, run Docker build with a tag and watch the layers to keep images small. Then run Docker run interactively to test processes and validate network and volume mounts. If you need GUI access, use RDP inside the container and map ports. Make sure required Windows features are installed during build. You finish by hardening and deploying. Create tags, push to a registry, or add the image into a CI pipeline so builds are reproducible. Once deployed, map volumes and ports correctly and configure service dependencies via Docker Compose or Kubernetes for scale. If things fail, one key troubleshooting tip is to verify host OS build matches the container image build. Mismatches are the most common source of startup errors. Also make sure Hyper-V or WSL2 is active and virtualization is enabled in firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.